Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight we're going to talk about analog versus digital. We got the analog and we're going to verse it with digital. Now, the sound quality on this analog is a lot better than the sound on the digital. Much warmer sound on this than it is on digital. Now you could compare each sound quality and see what you come up with. See what you come up with, folks. Like I said, compare the analog with the digital. You'll get a better sound on the analog than what you would on digital. A lot better sound and a lot better quality on analog. Now each sound quality is different. Analog sound quality is different from the digital. A lot different. When you compare the two, you'll see this has better sound than the digital. That's right, folks. Better sound quality than the digital. How are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Not enjoying the weather because it's hot outside and I can't take the heat. I wish it would cool down some. But it's supposed to be up in the hundreds for 3 more days. Don't like it. Don't like it. Tomorrow I'm going to look up some items for you to see in tomorrow night's video, and I hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. But in the meantime, at the end of the month, I'll show you more new items, but that will be at the end of the month. Plus, what I've got around here to show. And what I haven't shown you yet, I'll show you in recent videos. Recent videos, folks. I've got some chew in my mouth, so that's what I've got in my mouth, so kindly bear with me. Like I said, compare the sound quality on analog and digital. The sound quality is a lot better on analog than it is on digital. Lot better sound. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, spent time with my mom, my family, and friends, watched some movies, sat under the air, stayed cool because it was hot out yesterday, and just relaxed. That's all I done. Of course, I got up about 5 o'clock and just visited my mom and family and friends, and watched movies and ate breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and stayed at home under the air because it was so hot outside. It was in the hundreds with the heat index, but the current temperature was 95, so I stayed in out of the heat. Always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.